So I found some cable cutters here for battery wire, and they are $7.99, so I'm going to try those out. Hey everybody, we are Tigner Adventures, and my name's David. This is my wife Ninette. You don't see her too often, but she's here with me. And Tansy, we live in our vehicle full-time. Tansy's our cat, if you didn't know that. But anyway, we just today we are in Yuma. We actually are in the Yuma foothills, is where we actually live. And today we are come down to what they call the Arizona Marketplace. Now, we just did a bunch of videos on Quartzsite and the RV show, and this is basically kind of like a mini RV show that's going on every weekend from October, the end of October to the end of March in Yuma and in this particular area. So this is called the Arizona Marketplace, and a number of these vendors actually go up to Quartzsite. So we're going to kind of go in and just kind of check things out a little bit. And if you've been following the Quartzsite videos, we bought some lithium batteries, and I am working on getting those put into my rig. I'm making a video on that, so just watch for that. You'll see that pretty soon. But one of the issues I ran into is I don't have wire cutters. So we're going to go in here, and I made a list of things I need to buy. We're going to go in and kind of check things out. They have a lot of RV stuff here. Oh, and this is our wire. See, I tried to cut it with a grinding wheel or cutting wheel, and it just didn't quite do the job very good. So we're going to try to find some cutters that'll actually cut this big of wire. See how big? It's big, big, big. So real heavy duty. But there's some other things we need too. We're working on our floor. I need to get some tape to put around the walls because I got to cut out our wood floor. So we can take all our flooring out. We're going to replace that. So we got a few different projects. They have different tools here and whatevers. And so we're going to kind of show you around a little bit just so you get an idea what else is here. And then if we have time, we're going to go to another place also on our way back called Wally World. Now, I always thought when people talked about Wally World, they were talking about Walmart. But there's actually a place here called Wally World. And so we're going to try to do a little video of that, just show you what that is. It's a pretty much all-in-one type of a store for RV also. So anyway, it should be a lot of fun, so come along. Now they have a marketplace here for groceries, so that's kind of nice. And of course, this is where we bought our electric bikes. So these guys have been really good. We're looking at these bikes. I think Ninette wants a new bike. Look, it is purple. Oh dear, oh dear. That's what she's been waiting for. You can see they have a three-wheeler here too. I guess if this was a shinier purple and the rims were purple, she'd be jumping on this right away. So I think I'm safe this time, at least for now. So anyway, this is where we got our bikes. This guy is a great support person here in Yuma. And that's what's important. We have local support. If we have any issues, he takes care of us. Great salesperson and stands behind everything. So we bought a new mirror. Gave it to us for $5, and that goes on our bike because when I put Ninette's bike in last time, I don't know what I was doing, but I cracked the mirror, so this will be a replacement for it. That's why we stopped there. And then of course there's this store. This is where we buy our items that we mount on our window. You see those there, and that holds our phone and stuff, so they work out really well. Lots of different types of phone cases. And we're looking at upgrading Ninette's phone. So she's looking for a 13 Pro Max phone case. If you don't want to pay the $6 for parking and walk into Mexico, you can pretty much find it here at this market. The difference too is though, whatever the price is, that's what you pay. There's no bartering here. So here is a quilt shop. Reaching out to you guys, Grassroots Living. They're now doing a little section on quilt. And Dean just made his first sewing little pattern. So he's got one in the bag, he says. So if you guys ever follow Grassroots Living, maybe they'll come here and look at this quilt shop. So there is a number of shops here that sell front license plates, because Arizona does not give you 2 license plates. So the front of the vehicles don't have a license plate. And so you can buy whatever you want to put on your vehicle. How about some custom embroidery? Look at all these hats. You can buy a hat and have anything you want put on the hat. Look, all these different designs. You just pick out something within these books and they'll put it on whatever you want it to be on. Ooh, those look nice. Do I look okay? Do I look pretty?
Do you have glasses on?
Huh?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Do I look pretty? I don't know.
No, do I look pretty? You look great.
Oh.
Polarized sunglasses. Ninette's getting ready to play in a tournament. She needs something to help her sunny days out here. Look, how about these hats for Tansy? Do you think she'd like those?
She can match mommy.
So what?
She can match
she could match mommy. Yeah, mommy loves purple. So this is an upholstering place here at Arizona Marketplace. They wanted $800 to do each one of our chairs. Looks like they do a decent job, but we got the same job done in Mexico for $330. So overall we saved $1,000, so well worth the trip to Mexico. I think overall it'd be pretty hard to compete with Mexico here, and they will barter with you where these guys won't, and they have signs. Different stores say, "We are not Mexico, so don't ask for cheaper prices." How about a used bookstore? All kinds of books you can pick out for when you're out there boondocking, just sitting around, relaxing, enjoying life. Crunch, crunch, crunch. That's Ninette catching up on her jicama. She doesn't want to be on camera. Well, hey, we're done with the Arizona Marketplace. And that's a bust. We did get the mirror, but and looked at a lot of different things. They got all kinds of stuff there. And if I mean, they do have a live band every Sunday, so that's nice to come down here. That's the same
band that was at our...
Yeah, they played at our resort a couple nights ago for our dance night, so that was kind of fun. Good band. And they, you know, these bands, they just come down for this time of year, and they make all their money during the winter in Yuma, and then they go back and enjoy the summers. Kind of like we do. We come down here, do our little thing, and then we take off for the summers. We don't work camp or anything. We just go around and have fun. So not a lot you can do in the winter necessarily, so that's why we kind of just hang around Yuma. But as far as the Arizona Marketplace, that kind of completes this little area. One thing I wanted to point out here is if you look here, you can see all these RVs stored here. And unlike other RV storage places, this one is actually patrolled with a security guard and cameras. We have a friend that put his RV into a RV lot, and they cut a hole in the fence, and he was right up against the fence and crawled right under his rig and cut out his catalytic converter and stole it. So he now parks over here, and the fee, if I remember right, was $50 a month, which is just like a steal, because I'll tell you, up in the Salt Lake area, they were up into the $100 range minimum to find some place to park your rig for each month. So this is a lot better deal, and it's got security. So another thing with Arizona Marketplace. But we didn't find what we were looking for, so I guess the next stop now is Wally World. So we're going to show you what Wally World looks like. So here's Wally World. Told you, it's not Walmart. It's actually called Wally World. And it's kind of like a general store also. And it has all kinds of stuff in there. So we're going to take you in and show you just kind of the stuff a little bit. There's a few things I need to get. So how about a little Jeep for your yard? Or I guess you could always go with a Blue Boy Well, this is a four-wheeler deluxe tank because it's not called Blue Boy. How about solar flex? Cut these and match your window and stick them in your window in your vehicle. Help to reflect that sun away. Okay, all kinds of good stuff. We're gonna just kind of shop around and see if we can find some of the things on our list. So cutting pliers and tape, electrical lugs, cable lugs for the battery. Got clips here, little snaps you can put around your rig if you want to put a skirting around your rig.
Thank you.
All kinds of options.
But how do you attach them?
But then there is all the options for our sewer. How about these washers? Wow, that's big. That's really big. All kinds of washers. Bolts.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
So I found some cable cutters here for battery wire, and they are $7.99. So I'm going to try those out. And they got all kinds of different wire cutters here. But big selection of wire, light lenses. All right, so that's Wally World. So they had a lot of stuff in there, huh?
Yes, a lot of stuff.
A lot of things that, a lot of it was RV related, or, you know, pretty close to it anyway. I mean, it's not a bad little store. So out of the two places we went today, what did you like best? You got a mirror.
A mirror? Oh,
Yeah.
I got my bike mirror.
Yeah, I broke her bike mirror.
We got a little corner thing they put on the corner for the cat to rub against, and
on the
wall. Combs her
Yeah.
hair.
Yeah, that'll
She'll
be
probably like
interesting. Yeah, we'll try that out. She likes to be brushed and stuff, so maybe that'll help. She can brush herself.
Yeah, go brush yourself, man.
So, anyway, that shows you two places, Arizona Marketplace and Wally's World. You can say that you really know that there's a Wally's World, not just Walmart. And so anyway, at least here in Yuma. So
Marketplace
anyway,
is fun.
The fun thing about Yuma is there's so much that's catered towards RVs here. So you can find things that you don't normally get in even bigger cities. You don't even get those selections in bigger cities though, you know. So anyway, that ends this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you down the road somewhere. We are around Yuma here, so you can always send us an email and maybe reach out. We can meet up somewhere or whatever. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you down the road. So take care.
Bye.
See ya.